We are exploring the very interesting story of Foreman Fabricators of St. Louis, Missouri, with the president of the company, Brian Foreman, who bought the company in 1986. The company has grown rather dramatically over the course of years and has done work for some of the major corporate names in America. And I think we ought to discuss some of these. For example, Toys R Us. Everybody knows that name. What have you done for Toys R Us?
Sign structures for some of their stores or retail locations.
And going down this list, Harrah's Casino, they have a big casino in the St. Louis area?
Yes, they do. We manufactured ornamental railings for Harrah's.
Okay, let's talk about some MasterCard.
MasterCard, we made a variety of fabrications, wall divider panels, plate glass suspended handrails, exterior stainless railings that basically encompasses a patio area right in front of a lake. And then the interior finish on their elevators we also did.
And that was at the MasterCard corporate headquarters? Then,
yes, in Wing Haven.
You know, I didn't even realize that's where it was. Another one of your clients, everybody in the world knows their headquarters is St. Louis, and that's Anheuser-Busch.
That's correct.
What did you do for them?
Many miscellaneous stainless components, other construction materials, cladding, trim, sometimes replacement of either missing or obsolete components that they can't find the original source.
And that is, a lot of people come to you for that.
Yes, they do.
For replacing things that they just don't know where else to go. They're replacing something that wore out?
Many hospital engineers, property maintenance managers all come to us when they may have a component that's 30 or 40 years old, and they may have no idea where that component originally came from. And we're able to make an exact duplicate of it if need be.
Do they bring the component to you, or will you often go out on site and examine?
Whatever's more convenient for them. We'll go out to their site and take a look at the item. And sometimes they may ship something down to us.
So it really varies.
Whatever works
the situation is, yeah. Let me ask you something about the facility. How big is your facility?
We have a 20,000 square foot plant that has a wide variety of metal working equipment and machinery. Some of the equipment is hydraulic shears, hydraulic press brakes, which a press brake forms sheet metal to some configuration, high definition plasma capabilities, various welding equipment, punch presses, sawing equipment, roll forming equipment, and finishing and polishing equipment.
Sounds like you've got just about everything there that you could
just about everything we
possibly
need.
Use.
Yes.
You know, Brian, your company, obviously it's been very successful over the years, which is certainly to your credit. I'm just wondering, what do you see for the future of this company of yours as you look down the road, you know, a couple of years?
I think the future is bright, and I think as long as you have architects, you're going to have these unique designs and fabrications, and that have to be made to a custom specification. I think one of the unique aspects of our business is that the customer, whoever it may be, is defining and redefining the products and components that we manufacture on a day-to-day basis.
And you can just deliver.
And yes, and essentially we have a product that I never see it becoming obsolete.